We're diving into the AZ-104 certification today, which sounds a bit like a part number for a spaceship, but it's essentially the gold standard for anyone wanting to become a Microsoft Azure Administrator. It covers everything from managing virtual machines and storage to configuring complex virtual networks and identity management.
Exactly. It's designed for the people in the trenches, the IT pros who need to prove they can handle the security, compute, and networking demands of a massive cloud environment. You know, AZ-104 isn't just a certificate, it's the professional driver's license for the modern enterprise cloud. It proves you can actually fly the plane, not just sit in the cabin.
I like that analogy. So it's clear this is the foundational how-to for Azure. But what does the actual day-to-day work look like once you're inside the portal? Let's look at the infrastructure side.
Right. It's the virtual engine room.
On the technical side, the course goes deep into that engine room. You're learning to deploy custom server images, set up high availability for virtual machines, and manage complex storage options like blob storage and content delivery networks to keep data moving fast.
And it's not just about turning things on. You're using tools like the Azure CLI and PowerShell to automate these tasks. It's a fundamental shift from manual labor, clicking buttons in a portal, to what we call infrastructure as code. You write a script, and poof, a whole environment is built.
That sounds incredibly efficient.
It is, but here's the aha moment for a lot of people. Most think cloud storage is just a virtual hard drive. But with this training, you realize it's a strategic choice. Choosing the wrong data replication setting or pricing tier can cost a company thousands of dollars a month. The administrator isn't just a tech person, they're really a resource optimizer.
So you're saying they are as much a financial gatekeeper as they are a tech expert?
Precisely. You're managing the company's cloud spend while keeping the lights on. In the cloud, downtime is measured in dollars per second. The Azure Administrator is the person who ensures those seconds never happen.
That's a huge responsibility. But keeping the system running is only half the battle. You also have to keep the wrong people out, which brings us to security.
The other side of the coin, for sure.
Security is a massive pillar of the AZ-104. It covers implementing Azure Active Directory, configuring multi-factor authentication, and using role-based access control to give people exactly the amount of access they need, and nothing more.
Right, and they back that up with Azure Monitor. You're not just setting up defenses, you're actively watching them. You're learning to set up alerts and query log data so you can troubleshoot network issues or spot security threats in real time. It's like being a digital detective.
It sounds like a comprehensive toolkit for anyone looking to level up their IT career. Let's wrap up with the big picture takeaways for anyone considering this path.
Well, first and foremost, the training is laser focused on getting you ready for the AZ-104 exam itself. But beyond that, the real value is mastering automation. You move past just using the web portal and start controlling the cloud with PowerShell, the command line, and ARM templates. It also forces you to become a full-stack manager, handling compute, storage, networking, and identity. Ultimately, getting this certification is a massive career booster. It's the ticket to handling serious enterprise-level cloud environments.